Ooh, it's hard to resist a warm gougère. These delicious cheese puffs are easier to make than you think. Start by bringing water, milk, and butter to a boil. Add flour and salt and beat this mixture together until it turns into a dough ball. What you're doing here is getting the flour to be at a temperature just below the boiling point so that the starch molecules can swell and hold water. Cool the mixture so that you don't cook the eggs when you add them. Mixing with a hand mixer for several seconds usually does the trick, then beat in the eggs one at a time along with one egg white. When the dough is smooth and still warm, add the Gruyere cheese, a pinch of nutmeg, and some Dijon mustard, and then stir it by hand. Once you have a sticky, wet batter, scoop this into a plastic pastry bag so that you can pipe this onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet or just scoop little portions of this onto the sheet. Dust it with a little Parmesan cheese and then send this to the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Reduce the heat to 350 degrees for 5 to 10 more minutes until they're golden brown. In order to keep the delicious gougère from getting soggy inside, release the steam by piercing the bottom with a paring knife. Sneaking one warm gougère right now won't hurt. Serve these at a brunch or as an accompaniment at happy hour or at the table in a bread basket. No one will be able to resist.